Hi, in this video I am going to share you how to automate serial numbers using rows function. We have two separate rows, one with automation, one without automation. First one I am going to delete some rows. So after I deleting the 2 and 3, it start from 4 and 5 till 10. If I delete here 2 and 3, it's automated 2 again, 1, 2, 3. So first one I just use the numbers after enter 1 and 2, just drag it. The second one I used here rows functions. Rows function has only arrays. So here arrays starting from D12. It was locked because it's a starting point. And the remaining column, the remaining D12, the same cell name I am using here. I'm just, once it's dragged, then it's spread it to D13, D14 and so on. So just use this function if you want to automate serial numbers. So we can use this rows functions, and in case if you want particular number, then you can use plus or minus after rows function. For example, if you want to start from 5 instead of 1, so what we have to do, we just use rows function plus 4, then it will start from 5. So we can try this as here plus 4. So it starts from 5. Then we can drag it. Then see, just start from 5 to till 13. So in case if you want to delete any particular row, then it's automated itself after deleting. Let's see, we can delete some rows. I'm going to delete these 2 rows. I'm just deleting. It's automated. So I hope you understand this short video. Please don't forget to share if you like this video. Thank you, and subscribe please.